In this video, we'll be talking about a new update to OptimumCNC plasma cutting software, namely the ability to more easily select the starting point for the control program. To go over the previous method, let's say we have this control program loaded in right here, and we'd like to navigate to the start of this letter T. We can simply either scroll through the program line by line, or go part by part until we reach this letter T. And let's say if we'd like to move to a particular position here, we can simply go line by line until, let's say, we reach the desired point. This works well on less complicated programs and programs with a lot of parts, which we can easily skip between, but it's a little bit more complicated on programs with a more complicated contour, for instance. So here, let's say, we can load in this file, and positioning ourselves within it, while still possible, is going to be a little bit more work because we have to scroll through the entire program until we reach the desired location. Instead, the new update brings along a method of simply pressing the control button and then clicking on the desired spot. Let's say we'd like to move to this spot right here, maybe this E letter, S, or the middle of this O within the U. We can also keep holding the control button and drag the mouse around to position ourselves a little bit more precisely. We can see that our progress bar is also jumping around as we're moving through the control program within the G-code tab. Once we have positioned this marker where we would like to start from, let's say this point right here, we can simply press return to path to move the machine back to this point. And from there on, after the machine has positioned itself, we can press the play button to start cutting. This update is available online under version 2.0.2145, and you can see the instructions for updating the software and the profile in your customer links or on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.